Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA, and in today's video we're going to talk about the OnePlus's middle child, OnePlus 8T, which was launched few days ago. We didn't cover on the OnePlus 8T, but today we're going to cover on that, the middle child. So as you know, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro was a great success for OnePlus because they offered a bunch of flagship features at a much lesser price, though the prices are increasing day by day. But the OnePlus 8T is a middle child of between OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, because OnePlus 8T has some features which the OnePlus 8 doesn't have, and also lacks some features which the OnePlus 8 Pro has. So it is not a premium phone nor a budget phone like the OnePlus 8 or the OnePlus 8 Pro. So it is lingering in the middle of OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. So as you know, if you are eager to buy the OnePlus 8T, then you can go ahead because it is a new phone. It has some good features with the Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is 40% faster than the Snapdragon 865. I hope there is no second thought about buying the OnePlus 8T, but I wish if you had some more money you could buy the OnePlus 8 Pro, because it is the Pro variant of OnePlus in the year 2020. So you will get all the Pro features on the OnePlus 8 Pro, but on the OnePlus 8T you won't get, but it has a better chipset than the OnePlus 8 Pro. All three of them has the 5G capability, so you don't have to think about 5G, but you have to think about the performance and the speed of the chipset, which the OnePlus 8T offers better than both the phones. So I hope there is no second thoughts after watching this video and you have clearly understood. So sub to the channel will be great, and I hope you give a big fat thumbs up if you like this video. Comment your feedback in the comment section, and signing off for now. Bye.